In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now, to select settings, click on those two lines at the bottom right one. Tap on settings at the top and choose I accept in first things first pop-up. Finally, you can adjust all of those options however you wish to. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and choose the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. So when I click and go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!